Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you here. Today I am going to be sharing with you my Shabby Chic Bedroom Makeover Tour. Guys, I have been wanting to paint my bedroom furniture white for so long. It was just such a huge project that I kept putting it off and putting it off. But once I finally got out my bucket of white paint and went to it, I was super excited. So for this project, I actually looked up how to make my own chalk paint. And so I took a bucket of white paint and I mixed some baking soda in with it. There's a recipe that I'll link down below. That is probably one of the easiest ways to make chalk paint. I'm not sure that I totally recommend it though, because the finish did come out a little bit grainy. So I think if I wanted to sand it down a little bit more, that might take out some of the graininess. But really for the project that I wanted to do and not spend any money and just use what I had, it came out pretty nice. So I repainted my bedroom nightstands and my bed, and then I distressed them, and this took pretty much 2 days. So but I was so excited with the results. My bedroom was beautiful before, but I really love how the white paint just matches with all of my shabby chic decor and my shabby chic bedding. So anyway, I don't know about you guys, but I have had actually a bucket of white paint out for days now. I almost feel like I have my crazy pants on. Sorry, there's a fly like buzzing in here. But yeah, so it seems like every single piece of furniture has needed a bit of a white paint touch up. And so yeah, so lots of surfaces being painted in my home. It seems like just a constant project when my husband comes home. But anyway, without further ado, let's get to checking out my Shabby Chic Bedroom Makeover Tour. So for this furniture makeover project, I actually made my own chalk paint, and it was super easy. You just need an old container, whether it be plastic or a jar. You mix half a cup of baking soda with 1 cup of latex paint. You're going to want to mix this up really well. And also I suggest not mixing this until you're ready to paint, because the chalk paint tends to dry really fast. And so you don't want to mix this really far in advance and have it be goopy and unable to use. So here's the 2 nightstands that I've been working on. I got these from Bombay like years and years and years ago, so it's not like they were any kind of like awesome antique. And I ended up doing 3 coats of paint on both of the nightstands and the entire bed, and then I distressed it after the 3 coats of paint were on with just some sandpaper. So the before, this is my bedroom mid cleaning and mid painting, and my bedroom before was actually really beautiful. I just have really been wanting to change that dark wood to kind of match more of my shabby chic decor. And also at some point in time, I think I had something purple in the room because I ended up with these purple lamps. Anyway, so here is my bedroom after the paint makeover project. I painted both my nightstands and my bedroom set, and also even the picture on the wall. The picture on the wall was a gift given to me by my husband, so it just holds a special spot in my heart. So now I'm just going to give you guys a tour of my bedroom. It's not a giant space, but it is perfect for what we need, and I hope you guys enjoy.
All around there's no one but you. He hold my heart. Strangest sound gets around us too. In between our sparks, you come and go like a monsoon rain. You hide and show like a lightning bolt. You have it all. I go red when you're sitting there by. like a young child. Oh, it's silly how time just flies.
So my bedding is a Rachel Ashwell Shabby Chic bedding, and I was really lucky to find a brand new bedding set at our local resale shop. And it was a king size set, and so it required king size pillows, and they actually carry those at Walmart for about $8. And then I also picked up these beautiful they were Marie Antoinette, I believe, pattern. They're kind of a quilted large pillow sham as well. I got those from a friend of mine at our local flea market booth. And I just love these large, beautiful roses. They're kind of a bolder color than the pale pink and white that I like to use in a lot of my designs. But I felt like back in our bedroom, you know, since I shared this with my husband, that the deeper reds would be a little bit nicer. And it matches perfectly with this white bed that I painted. I really like too the way that the chalk paint came out. It was really easy to distress. As you can kind of see, the beautiful details in this bed were shown off easily by the distressing. And here's just a picture of me that my husband keeps on his bedside table. It's from years and years ago. It cracks me up that he still has that picture. So I'm going to try and show you guys a little bit of a close-up here. You'll see with the chalk paint, I noticed that the finish was kind of grainy. I think possibly if you sanded that down and wanted a smoother surface, you could probably do that.
I go red when you're sitting nearby. I'm like a young child. Oh, it's silly how time just flies when we play and you hide. You come and go like a monsoon rain. You hide and show like a lightning bolt. You have it all. And there's no one but you, no one. There's no one but you, no one.
As you guys can tell, I really love vintage treasures. This is just an old Sally Stitch dress form. She's a bit busty, so I found this beautiful debutante dress to put on her. And this is an old Hoosier cabinet that I painted white, that I just have some of my jewelry and my makeup products and just some different little treasures that I've collected here and there.
Gonna get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So what's your feelings? The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. You wanna hear now, but they all disappeared. They will let you down. So we better stick together. Let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love. You wanna get to me close, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us together. 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 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love. We only need the two of us together.
guys so much for joining me on my Shabby Chic Bedroom tour. I am so blessed that y'all are here. I hope you loved it. I hope you're inspired to get out your bucket of white paint and just beautify some of your furniture. I will put in the link below the paint that I used and how I mixed up the chalk paint. Like I said, there's various ways to mix chalk paint, and I think that this is the least expensive way that I used, but maybe not the best results. They also sell chalk paint at the store, but I do know that that can be just a little bit pricey. So anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also check out some of my other Shabby Chic makeovers. I just remade my pantry and also my Shabby Chic mantle. So thank you guys so much, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.